Question B. Question 20. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. You need to change the sentences from direct to indirect speech. We are going to practice 25 examples. First question. He said, I am going to the market. Answer. He said that he was going to the market. Question 2. She said, I have finished my homework. Answer. She said that she had finished her homework. Third question. They said, we will be visiting our grandparents next weekend. Answer. They said that they would be visiting their grandparents the next weekend. Question 4. The teacher said students should submit their assignments on time. Answer. The teacher said that students should submit their assignments on time. Fifth question. John said, I was watching a movie last night. Answer. John said that he had been watching a movie the previous night. Question 6. Are you coming to the party? He asked me. Answer. He asked me if I was coming to the party. Question 7. Where do you live? She asked him. Answer. She asked him where he lived. Question 8. The officer asked, why did why didn't you report the incident immediately? Answer. The officer asked why I did sorry I had not reported the incident immediately. Ninth question. Can you help me with this problem? The student asked the teacher. The student asked the teacher if he could help him with the problem. Question 10. He asked, will you join us for dinner? So answer is, he asked if I would join them for dinner. Question 11. The mother said to her child, don't touch the hot pan. Answer. The mother told her child not to touch the hot pan. Question 12. The coach said to the players, practice regularly to improve your skills. Answer. The coach advised the players to practice regularly to improve their skills. Question 13. Please close the window. She asked him. Answer. She asked him to close the window. 14th question. The doctor advised take the medicine twice a day. Answer. The doctor advised me to take the medicine twice a day. 15th question. The manager ordered submit the report by tomorrow. Answer. The manager ordered to submit the report by the next day. 16th question. Hooray! We won the match. The players shouted. Answer. The players shouted with joy that they had won the match. Question 17. Alas, the old man passed away, the villagers said. Answer. The villagers said that the old man had passed away. 18th question. He exclaimed, what a beautiful painting. Answer. He exclaimed that it was a beautiful painting. 19th question. She said, how wonderful the weather is today. Answer. She said that the weather was wonderful that day. Question 20. The child asked, why is the sky blue? Answer. The child asked why the sky was blue. Question 21. Did you complete the project on time? The boss asked her. Answer. The boss asked her if she had completed the project on time. Question 22. Who is your favorite author? She asked the student. Answer. The boss asked her if she had sorry, or I need to say this 22 answer. She asked the student who his favorite author was. Question 23. The father said to his son, always speak the truth. Answer. The father advised his son always to speak the truth. Question 24. The teacher said, don't forget to bring your textbooks tomorrow. Answer. The teacher reminded the students not to forget to bring their textbooks the next day. Question 25. Wow, that was an amazing performance, the audience exclaimed. Answer. The audience exclaimed with admiration that it had been an amazing performance. So you can see here key, take the screenshot. Thank you for watching. In next video, we will continue with section B, question 21, prepositions.